everyone, it's AuntDi here. So today we are going to use the Cricut Joy, and we are going to also be using the Smart Label dissolvable paper and the dual tip markers. You get the Smart Label dissolvable paper with the latest mystery box, which is the Mirror Ball Joy. So let's get started. Okay, so I've already got my marker in place. I'm just going to load up my paper. As you see, there is no buttons on the Joy itself. It's all controlled either from your phone, your laptop, or your computer. So I'm just getting that loaded up. I am using my phone, so yeah, it's easy peasy. I'm just going to pause this quickly so I can go push the... Okay, so I've pushed the go button, and now it's going to start writing out for me. Okay guys, so it's done cutting. I got this huge pile. It's just all written out. So the first thing I got to do is switch my marker back to the blade. So you just do that and close it. And then I got to switch over to Design Space to push the go button, which as soon as I do, my phone is going to stop on me. And it did. So I've gone over, since I'm doing everything on my phone, unfortunately I couldn't show you, but I just went over and I pushed the go button quickly, and now it is going to cut. I'm just going to put the marker lid on. Now the marker I used, which I just is, sorry, there's my hand, and there's the marker, because I'm trying to put the lid on. Okay, so the marker I used is their dual tip. One side is thicker, so I'm going to take the tip off again. So one side is, it's not focusing, there it goes, is the smaller end. And the other side, let's get it to focus, there it goes, is the thicker end. So the thicker end and the thinner end. So that's pretty cool. Stops you don't have to buy both sets of markers now. You can just buy the dual tip ones, which is actually a money saving idea and space saving. You only have the one box, which is right here, ignore the macaroni in the corner. So you just have the one box. This one is for the Cricut Joy and also the Cricut Joy Extra. So I'm just going to let these cut out. Like that. And then we'll be back. Okay, so they're all done. I've gone over and I pushed the unload button. They're all done, which is cool. You can see they're cut. Yes, that says Bison Heart. I love Bison Heart. And I'm going to go grab, I should have done it already, but I didn't, a package or something, and then I'm going to put the label on it. So give me 1 second. Please. Okay guys, so now my husband is my videographer, so hopefully that works. So this is a package of food I made because I do a lot of food prepping. This happens to have the fish in it, so I'm going to just grab the fish one, pull it off, and stick it right on there. So now when we go to wash this, I guess I should show you, shouldn't I? Let me grab a container. So here's a container. I'm going to stick another one on there. So It doesn't want to stick. There it goes. So when I go to wash this, mind the dishes please, it's just going to come right off and wash away. See, now it's gone. Nothing in my hand, it totally dissolves. So it's a really cool product, guys. So anyways, take care and happy crafting.